How to fix your AC remote is not working. So if you're trying to press the buttons on your AC remote control and nothing's happening, I'll show you a few ways on how to solve this. So I'll start with some basic solutions and then I'll move on to some more advanced options. So the first thing we're going to do is come round to the back of the AC remote. You could then remove the battery lid and you're going to try replacing the batteries. Now when you place the batteries, make sure they're facing the correct way. And then once you've done this, if you come round to the top of your AC remote, you'll see this infrared sensor at the very top. Now if you grab something like a wet cloth, you want to try cleaning this infrared sensor. So sometimes if you get dirt or debris that kind of builds up here, it can actually block the connection between your remote and the AC unit. You may also need to clean the sensor on the AC unit as well. And once you've done this, you can test to see if the remote is now working. If you're still having an issue, we can try resetting the remote control. Now, there's basically two different ways to do this. The first method is you just need to hold down the power button for 20 seconds. So just continue to hold this power button down until 20 seconds have passed, and then once again check if that solves the issue. Sometimes as well, you may have a reset button on the remote itself. So if you come around to the back of the remote, you may find a small pinhole, and you can essentially use something like a pin or a small object to go and press down this button. Now hold this down for 10 seconds and that's another way to reset your AC remote. And once you've done this, the remote control should now be working.